This is a 1932 Chevy Canopy truck. Hucksters, that is people that sold vegetables or produce or what have you, would use a truck like this to go from neighborhood to neighborhood to set up shop. It's very convenient for them and very convenient for customers. And back when this was popular, it was in the Depression here, so people didn't have cars, or if they did, they couldn't drive much because gas was rationed. So something like this was a lifesaver. The interior is kind of stark, but it's beautifully restored. Wooden ceiling here, very nice indeed. And that's carried over here to the bed of the truck, with the wooden ceiling there and the flooring. Notice the wire wheels. And there's a canopy, the name aptly named here. It drops down on the sides and the back of the truck to protect the whatever is being sold here in the back. Everything is beautifully done on this truck, and it's a two-tone green. You'll notice that when we take a side view, that it's two-tone, two different shades. And of course the yellow wheels, the yellow accent in the interior. Done very nicely. And then we have under the hood the venerable overhead valve 6-cylinder engine. That's really cool.